Welcome everyone, this is Yassine LAMSSADDAR. Today I want to talk to you about the AD problem solving and the need of effective problem solving. Let's first understand what is a problem. Well, a problem can be defined as a deviation from the standard. It can also be defined as a gap between current and desired condition. A problem is normal, natural and unavoidable fact of life. So let's talk now about the need of effective problem solving. The most important skills of effective people in every area is the ability to solve problems and make good decisions. Fortunately, effective problem solving and decision making are learnable skills that you can develop with the practice. In the past few years in all industries, we have seen an increase of complex processes, complex products, which increase the possibility of deviations. The struggle that many companies have right now is to quickly identify, assessing the issues and mitigate the impact. Basically, the methodology that is easily understood, useful and effective as well is the AD problem solving. Now, I'd like to welcome you to this verse overview module regarding AD problem solving course. This session is very useful for all people involving problem solving exercise. First of all, let me present a short summary of my professional career. I'm Yassine LAMSSADDAR, so I have a master's degree in engineering and industrial management with 10 years of professional experience in industrial sector. Now, let me present the items that will be discussed during this overview AD problem solving course. So we'll discuss goal of this course, what is the AD, history of AD, purpose of AD, why AD is used, when to use AD, the main steps of AD, and finally, AD problem solving worksheet. By the end of this course, the student should be able to understand and use the AD problem solving process to solve problems, describe the purpose of each phase of the AD problem solving process, apply the appropriate problem solving tools throughout the AD problem solving process. Next, what is the AD? AD is a disciplined process which addresses problem solving in a methodical and analytical way. Each step of the AD analysis process is preceded by letter D, which stands for discipline. The AD process seeks to define and understand the problem so that by taking this approach, we can continuously improve quality by eliminating the causes of problems and prevent their reoccurrence. Each discipline has an input and an output. The output of one step becomes input for next step. AD aims to gain insight into the root causes of why the problems happen so they won't happen again. The AD process involves 8 steps to solve difficult recurring problems. It's a transparent, team-based approach that will help you solve more problems in your business. Now, this is basically the list of the 8 disciplines. Discipline 1, D0, plan. Plan for problem solving that determine the prerequisite. D1, form a team. In this discipline, we need to establish cross-functional team in order to start the investigation. Next discipline, D2, describe the problem. Describe clearly the problem by using the 5W and 2H tools. So, we need to answer the following. Keep in mind that a problem well defined is a half solve. Discipline 3. Implement containment actions. In this discipline, we need to implement and verify the actions to isolate the problem. This is a first aid until we define the root cause. D4. Identify root causes. In this discipline, we need to identify all applicable causes that explain how the problem has been occurred and why the problem has escaped. D5. Choose corrective actions. We need to choose and verify the corrective actions that will resolve the problem. D6. Implement and validate the best corrective actions. Discipline 7. take preventive measure. We need to take preventive measure to modify the management system, operation system, practice and procedure to prevent recurrence of similar problem. And the last discipline, the 8th, is recognize team. Recognize the collective effort of the team. So the team needs to be formally thanked by the organization. The 8th discipline has become right now a standard in all organizations that required a structured problem-solving process using a team approach. This approach is used by many different industries in many different countries and many different organizations. Well, a problem is always an opportunity for improvements. As I explained right now, the 8D stands for 8 disciplines which provide a structured framework by following the analysis and steps that it outlines. 8D is basically a highly disciplined and effective scientific approach for resolving chronic, sporadic, and recurring problems in business. This approach uses team synergy and provides excellent guidelines to identify the root cause of the problem, implement containment actions, develop and then implement corrective actions and preventive actions that make the problem go away permanently. Remember that the more you focus on solution, the more solution you will find. That's it for today's video. Next video will be about history of AD, purpose of AD, why AD is used, and when to use AD. Thank you for viewing this first overview module regarding AD problem solving course. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and click on the link on the screen to subscribe to my channel.